to my channel. So today is going to be like a really quick review on the SKKN by Kim makeup launch. So I already unboxed it on my TikTok, so if you're not following me there, you should go follow me right now. It's at the same name, JessikasArtistry. It's at the same name, JessikasArtistry, and I basically showed you guys this palette, compared it to Makeup by Mario's. Basically showing you this palette, and I'm comparing it to the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, because everybody said these two palettes are so similar and seems like one is copying the other, but I don't know. To me, I like this one so far because it seems more brown girl friendly. But right now we're about to do our eyeshadow and see if it's really actually brown girl friendly. I just prime my eyelids with concealer and I set them with one size powder. I'm gonna take a Morphe 433, and one thing about this eyeshadow palette so far is that it is kicking up a lot of color. So the color is getting everywhere. Like, it's literally all over the back. So I don't know if that's a good thing. But I'm gonna take this color right here and put that in my crease. And I'll always start my crease off in the inner corner. I don't know when I started doing that, but I actually love how that looks when I do it. But I never used to do that before. I used to start in the outer corner. But I don't know, it's just like it gives the nose bridge some contour, and I love that look. This color is okay so far. I like it. It's a really beautiful transition shade. Yeah, like it's not doing too much, but it's doing enough. So I love that for a transition color. Right? That's really, really pretty. Alright, so the next shadow we're gonna do is this one right here. Yeah, that color is nice. I knew it was gonna be pretty. And this is not even the darkest brown. It's already giving me what I'm looking for. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Kim. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, that did it for me. That's what I'm talking about. Like, listen, not for nothing, these companies come out here and make these eyeshadow brands without brown people in mind. And we go out and buy the eyeshadows and they don't even come out right on our skin tone. And that's not fair at all. So I love to be putting a nude eyeshadow palette on my freaking eyes, and the colors actually come out the same color in the pan that it does on my eyes, and not gray. I'm just gonna take this cool brown right here. Yeah. Just to deepen up the crease. Even though I could have took the darker brown, but I'm gonna use this one to see what this is hitting for. And it's doing what I thought it would do. It's doing exactly what I thought it would do. And what I wanted it to do. Blend out these corners so it won't look so harsh. It's perfect. But I absolutely love it. Like, I don't even have to try that hard, and I'm already getting what I want. here. And I'm gonna put that as my lid color. Maybe I should have took the lighter one. It's pretty still though. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna take a little bit of the lighter one and put it on top. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the transition color that we did, just to blend it out right here. So pretty. So now I'm going to take the brown and I'm just going to rub this on my bottom lash line as if I'm smoking out some liner. This eye is like super sensitive since it was tearing. Alright, so that's basically the eyes. My eyes playing games with me right now and I'm sweating. So yeah. So that's basically the eyes. I literally love the way the eyes turned out. They're perfect. The colors are definitely perfect for my skin tones. You guys, this eye was tearing like crazy, so don't mind my eye. I'm having like a little allergy thing. It's been like this all day. So I can't even keep eyeshadow on the eye. It doesn't even matter. I'm gonna turn my head this way. So this is Nude 15 by Kim. Oh man, I'm gonna turn this way. So the funny thing is, I ordered this thinking that it was gonna sell out crazy. So I placed 2 orders for this launch, thinking, okay, I'll just return the other when I get it. And then I looked at the, and then I looked at the policy, and Kim doesn't accept returns or exchanges or any of that sort. All sales are final. And dummy me, I didn't look before I purchased. So now I have 2 of these very same orders, except one is a different kind of liner. I got liner 14 and one in 15 in the other. So this one is 15, and then the other package I had got 14. So I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm gonna state the rules after this. I'm gonna state the rules after this video, but down below tell me, do you think I should give away the palette to one person and the lipstick and liner to another? I don't know, you tell me, because that's what I'm giving away. I'm giving away a lipstick and a liner and then a palette. Tell me what I should do. Or should I give all to one person? Let me know down below. So now this is Nude 3, and this is what that looks like. If you want to see swatches of the lipsticks, you have to check out my TikToks, and that's at JessikasArtistry. So this is Nude 3. and it's exactly what I thought it was going to be. It matches my nude 2, and I absolutely love nude 3. This is my lip. I love a pinky nude lip like this. This is giving me everyday wearable. This is giving me, especially with a lip gloss over this. Now we're going to try on nude 6. And this is nude 6. I love the way that these feel on the lips. They're really, really creamy. And I actually absolutely love this color as well. This is another favorite. This is another everyday wearable color. I definitely could see me wearing lip gloss on top of this one. And I think this one actually goes with the look that I'm wearing right now. So I really do love the way this look came out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely giving me neutral mommy, you know, it's giving me neutral baddie, and I love that for me. So, and I would love that for you too. So make sure you go pick up the new SKKN by Kim and tell me what you think about it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video, and if you stayed all the way to the end, now you get to know that I'm having a giveaway on these items that I just showed you guys in this video. I'm going to give away an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, and a liner. This is actually the lip combo right now that I'm going to be giving away. Matter of fact, I'm lying. I'm giving away nude 14 lip liner and this nude 6 lipstick. So if you want these items, make sure you go follow my TikTok just to see how the rules are going to go. And remember, my TikTok is JessikasArtistry. See you there.